Okay, let's continue now with practice problem number 12. Convert 150 pounds into kilograms, knowing that 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kilogram. So, given 150 pounds, so required in kilograms. So, the solution, 150 pounds times 0.454 kilogram over 1 pound. Cancel out the pound unit and the remaining unit is kilogram. The final answer is 68.1 kilogram. Number 13. A container holds 2.5 gallons of water. Express this volume in liters. 1 gallon is approximately equal to 3.785 liters. Given 2.5 gallons. Required in liters. So solution, 2.5 gallons times 3.785 liters over 1 gallon is equal to 9.4625 liters. And cancel out the gallons and the unit is in liters, and the final answer is 9.4625 liter. Number 14. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Formula, degree centigrade is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9. So given 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, required degree centigrade. So we only need to substitute the degree Fahrenheit in the formula, and then minus 32 times 5 over 9, and the final answer is 37 degrees centigrade. Number 15. A runner covers 10 kilometers in a race. Express this distance in miles. 1 mile is equals to 1.609 kilometers. We're given 10 kilometers required in miles. So solution, 10 kilometers times 1 mile over 1.609 kilometers. Cancel out the kilometer unit. The remaining unit now is in terms of mile. So, approximately, the final answer is 6.215 mile. MCQ for our quarter 2 measurement and geometry lesson 2, converting measurements within and between systems of units. Number 1, convert 3 kilometers to meters. A, 30 meters. B, 300 meters. C, 3,000 meters. D, 30,000 meters. Number 2, a pencil weighs 4,500 milligrams. Express this in grams. A, 0.045 gram. B, 0.45 gram. C, 4.5 gram. D, 45 grams. Number 3, a board is 250 centimeters long. How many meters is this? A, 0.025 meter. B, 2.5 meters. C, 25 meters. D, 25 meters. Number 4. Convert 0.75 liters to milliliters. Letter A, 75 ml. Letter B, 750 ml. Letter C, 7,500 ml. Letter D, 75,000 ml. Number 5. A rice sack weighs 3.5 kilograms. Express this in grams. A, 35 grams. B, 350 grams. C, 3,500 grams. D, 35,000 grams. Number 6. A marathon is 42.195 kilometers. Express this in meters. A, 421.95 meters. B. 4,219.5 meters. C. 42,195 meters. D. 421,950 meters. Number 7. Convert 0.008 kilometers to centimeters. A. 8 centimeter. B. 80 centimeters. C. 800 centimeters. D. 8,000 centimeters. Number 8. A bottle contains 1,250 milliliters of juice. Express this in liters. A. 0.125 liters. B. 1.25 liters. C. 12.5 liters. D. 125 liters. Number 9. A car travels at 120 kilometers per hour. Express this speed in meters per second. Letter A, 3.33 meters per second. B, 12 meters per second. C, 33.33 meters per second. D, 120 meters. Number 10. Convert 15 inches to centimeters. Knowing that 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. A. 28.5 centimeters. B. 30 centimeters. C. 36 centimeters. D. 38.1 centimeters. Number 11. A person's height is 5 feet and 7 inches. Express this in centimeters. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Letter A, 150.5 centimeters. B, 160.5 centimeters. C, 170.2 centimeters. D, 175 centimeters. Number 11. Number 12. Convert 150 pounds to kilograms, knowing that 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kilogram. A. 45.4 kilogram. B. 60.1 kilogram. Letter C. 68.1 kilogram. Letter D. 75.0 kilogram. Number 13. A container holds 2.5 gallons of water. Express this in liters. 1 gallon is 3.785 liters. Letter A, 6.25 liters. B, 7.85 liters. C, 9.46 liters. D, 12.5 liters. Number 14. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Formula: degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9. And the answer is A, 34 degrees. B, 36 degrees centigrade. Letter C, 37 degrees centigrade. Letter D, 39 degrees centigrade. Number 15. A runner covers 10 kilometers in a race. Express this distance in miles. 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. A. 5.2 miles. B. 6.2 miles. C. 6.5 miles. D. 7.0 miles. Answer key for quarter 2 measurement and geometry lesson 2, converting measurements within and between systems of mesh units from number 1 to 10. Those are the answers. And then 11 to 15. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.